Hello everyone. RPF Constable 2025 First Shift Analysis March 12. Who discovered radium? Radium की खोज किसने की? The answer for this question is Marie Curie and Pierre Curie. In which year was radium discovered? Radium की खोज किस वर्ष हुई थी? The answer for this question is 1898. What is the symbol of the radium in the periodic table? आवर्त सरणी में रेडियम का प्रतीक क्या है? The answer for this question is Ra. The symbol of radium in the periodic table is Ra. In which country was the 2024 Women's T20 World Cup held? 2024 महिला टी20 विश्व कप किस देश में आयोजित किया गया था? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स, संयुक्त अरब अमीरात. हु वन द आईसीसी वुमेन्स टी20 वर्ल्ड कप इन 2024? 2024 में आईसीसी महिला टी20 विश्व कप किसने जीता? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज न्यूजीलैंड. Which team did New Zealand defeat in the final of the 2024 Women's T20 World Cup? 2024 महिला टी20 विश्व कप के फाइनल में न्यूजीलैंड ने किस टीम को हराया? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज साउथ अफ्रीका. Who gave the slogan "Go back to the Vedas"? वेदों की और लौटो का नारा किसने दिया? The answer for this question is स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. Which organization was founded by the स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती? स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती द्वारा कौन सा संगठन स्थापित किया गया था? The answer for this question is आर्य समाज. What are the reverse repo rate in India as of February 2025? फरवरी 2025 तक भारत में रिजर्व रिवर्स रेपो दर क्या थी? The answer for this question is 3.35%. Which part of the Indian Constitution in the UPSC mentioned? भारतीय संविधान के किस भाग में यूपीएससी का उल्लेख किया गया था? The answer for this question is part. Which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the Union Public Service Commission? भारतीय संविधान के कौन सा अनुच्छेद संघ लोक सेवा आयोग यूपीएससी के संबंधित है? The answer for this question is आर्टिकल 315 to 323. अनुच्छेद 315 से 323 तक यूपीएससी का मेंशन किया गया था. The next question. Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age in India from 21 to 18 years? किस संविधान संशोधन ने भारतीय मतदान की आयु 21 की घटाकर 18 वर्ष की थी? The answer for this question is 61st amendment. In which year is the Congress declared पूर्ण स्वराज? किस वर्ष कांग्रेस ने पूर्ण स्वराज की घोषणा की थी? The answer for this question is in 1929. The National Congress declared Purna Swaraj complete independence on December 31st, 1929 at the Lahore session under the presidency of the Jawaharlal Nehru. January 26, 1930 was observed as Independence Day across India. Transistors are primarily made from which material? ट्रांजिस्टर मुख्य रूप से किस सामग्री से बने होते हैं? The answer for this question is silicon. Transistors are primarily made from the semiconductor metals like silicon or germanium. These metals are treated doped to control their electrical conductivity, allowing transistor to function as switches or amplifier in the electronic circuits. What is the full form of the POSCO? POSCO का पूरा नाम क्या है? Protection of Children from Sexual Offences is the correct answer. POSCO stands for the Protection of Children from Sexual Abuse and Offences Act 2012. It is a law enacted in India to protect children from sexual abuse and exploitation. What is isomerism? Isomerism क्या है? The answer for this question is compound with same chemical formula but different chemical structures are called isomerism. समान रासायनिक सूत्र लेकिन विभिन्न रासायनिक संरचने वाले यौगिक को आइसोमेरिज्म कहलाता है. Isomerism is a phenomena in which two or more compounds have the same molecular formula but different chemical structures. These compounds are called isomers and they can exhibit different physical and chemical properties. Article 371A is related to which state? अनुच्छेद 371A किस राज्य से संबंधित है? The answer for this question is Nagaland. Tamil Nadu's coastal area is called. The answer for this question is Tamil Nadu के तटीय क्षेत्र को क्या कहा जाता है? The answer for this question is Coromandel Coast, Coromandel That. The Coromandel Coast refers to the southern coastal region of Tamil Nadu and parts of Andhra Pradesh. It lies along the Bay of Bengal and is known as ports, fishing industry, and historical significance in maritime trade. Who established the Servants of India Society? Servants of India Society की स्थापना किसने की थी? The answer for this question is Gopala Krishna Gokhale. The Servants of India Society was founded by Gopala Krishna Gokhale in 1905 in Pune, Maharashtra. The society aimed to train, inspire Indians to dedicate their lives to social services, education, and national welfare. Thank you for watching. These are the key answer analysis of the RPF Constable First Shift Analysis March 12.